Hi, I'm Wendy Weir, and I'm the CEO and founder of Libre, and I'm here to share some fruit infusion ideas with you today. We have our lovely Libre glasses, and they are glass on the inside, durable poly on the outside, and then there's this nice filter. And so it makes these fruit infusions really easy for on the go. The first one I'd like to show you is berry and basil. So strawberries, I've just cut up some strawberry pieces here, and I'm going to pop them right into the glass. Now I tell you, kids love berry water, and there's no sugars, it's all natural, and it's super flavorful. As well, adding a little adult twist, we're going to pop in basil leaves. It's really wonderful. The beautiful fragrance of the strawberries and the basil together, and I've got my water right here, closer than I thought, and we're just going to fill it up. Oh, I can smell that from here. And so then we just add this nice little filter, and you can drink on the go. Oh, it smells wonderful. It might be a wonderful base for some other summertime drinks too. So there's your berry and basil water, number one. Number two that we're doing today is a very cooling and refreshing one. And so maybe you've seen cucumber water at the spa. Well, you can make your own cucumber water. So just slice up some cucumbers, pop them in the glass, and then what we've done today is we like to add mint with the cucumber. It gives you a little extra flavor and that much more cooling, refreshing, and it's great for a hot day, this one. And of course, we've got a nice wide mouth. You can pop the ice cubes right in there as well. So we're just gonna have taken the cucumbers, the mint, and we're adding the water, and we've got our lid and filter, gonna pop it on, and we could be running out the door right now. And with this beautiful cooling drink beside us to go. So you can drink. Oh, and the fragrance of the mint is beautiful too. So that's our second idea, cucumber and mint. The next idea I want to share with you is it's probably more of an elixir, more of a health thing, but it is very refreshing as well. So fresh lemons, always a lovely thing. I've got a couple of slices here of our fresh lemons, and then ginger, slices of fresh ginger. All I've done is taken fresh ginger root, sliced it up, and now I'm going to pop it into the glass. And we are going to add the water. Some people will actually make this with hot water and may add honey as well. The honey is easily absorbed in the hot water, and you might have to give it a little shake if you want it absorbed in the cooler water. But meanwhile, you've got this nice refreshing drink with the lemon, which is kind of detoxing, the ginger, which is stimulating and nice for your digestion if you've got a little sore tummy from too many summer parties. And there you go. You can once again drink it on the go. And that would be the end of our fruit infusions for today. So thank you so very much. Enjoy many a peaceful tea moment and your fruit waters anywhere, anytime.